children. So again, after the story, we have something regarding the grammar for this month, right? The grammar is adverbs. We all know what is this adverbs. We have been learning from our grade 1 that adverbs, leave words and all, right? So adverbs are something that isn't relevant to verbs. So the very word tells adverbs. So it's going to tell more about verbs. So in this video, we will be seeing the introduction about what are adverbs.
So children, yes, let's get into what are adverbs. Okay, adverbs, the very word tells that it's something related to the verbs, right? Yes. So adverbs are nothing but, maybe you would have learned in your previous grades also, it is nothing but something that tells more about a verb. Okay, something that tells more about a verb. What does it tell more about a verb? Yes, so it tells, for example, an action is there. It tells how the action has happened. It tells when the action has happened, where the action has happened, how often the action has happened, and how much the action has happened. So that is called as adverbs. So adverbs, how tells like the words like fastly, clearly, cleverly, slowly, badly, happily. Almost all the leave words tells how it has happened. Healthily, for example, I eat healthily. So these things say that it has happened how, and when it had happened, in the evening, after, before, since. So these things tells that when it has happened, when the action had happened, and where the action has happened. For example, across the street, in the house, and all tells where the action happened and how much has the action happened. It tells how many times or how intensity it has happened. Okay, and how often it had happened. Okay, once in a while, or once in a year, twice in a year. So these words tells that how often the action happens. So basically children, one action is there, and that action is being told in different ways, like is being told more about, is called as the adverbs. So children, remember that adverbs are nothing but, it is something that is defined as a word that describes a verb. It tells more about a verb. It describes a verb and tells us how a thing is done, how it is done, when it is done, and where it is done, to what extent it is done. So it just tells how it is done, like when it is done, where it is done, and what extent it is done. So this is the definition of adverb, children. So let's get into the types of adverb in the next video. Thank you.
So children, you all got to know what are adverbs now. So in the next video, Priya ma'am will catch you back with the types of adverbs, which is very, very important. See you all. Bye-bye.